This is another word problem on using our percent equation. And our percent equation is that our part is equal to some percent of our whole. All right, let's read the question. It says there are 35 competitors in a marathon. 60% of these finish the race in under 4 hours. How many competitors finish the race in under 4 hours? So the big idea here is that we need to make sure we get our numbers in our word problem in the appropriate place in this equation. So we need to be able to identify what's our part, what is our percent, what is our whole. So there are 35 competitors in a marathon. So whenever you read that, do you think of that as more of a part, a percent, or a whole? Well, that's our total number of people in the race, right? So we have 35 competitors in our marathon. That's our whole amount. So right here for the whole part, I'm going to put in the number 35. 60% of these finish the race in 4 hours. Well, they use the word percent there. So my 60%, so 60% is really the same thing as 60 out of every 100, which in decimal form would be 60 hundredths. And when we write this percent, we don't really need that 0 right here, so we can just put 0.6. Remember, you always put the decimal form of the percent in our percent equation. And the only thing left is our part. So whatever our question is asking for should represent our part. How many competitors finished the race in under 4 hours? Well, the number of people that finished our race in under 4 hours is going to be some part of our whole group. So that makes sense that, the value that we're trying to find here is our part. All right, so all we got to do is type in 0.6 times 35 into our calculator. So here, let me pull up a calculator. We'll show you that calculation. So 0.6 times 35, and we get 21. So our answer here is 21. And actually, we should put a unit on this. So this is 21 competitors. Here, we'll put finish the race in under 4 hours.